Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/18 Diecast model of 911 GT3 Cup Porsche. So if you want to buy this model, you can buy this model from aliexpress.com for $55. So the model is really well detailed according to the price. So if you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video, and also a giveaway is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.